Okay, how do you create a custom homepage for your WordPress site? I'm working on a site here, and if I click Visit Site, I've been working on this homepage now for a little while, and you can see it's a website about drone videos and my travels. Here's a drone here, and it has some text here, and here we have some columns and some people and some other sections that I haven't quite filled in. So how do you create a page like this on your WordPress site? Well, this is actually a template using Elementor, and I'll show you how to download all of the necessary tools to do that now. If you go to your dashboard and you go to, the first thing you would want to do is download a theme that supports Elementor well. The theme that I'm using is Astra, so let's go to Appearance, Themes, and we're going to add a new theme and type in Astra, and you'll see here's the one that I activated. So you would download that and activate that. Once you do that, it will swim well, it will work well with Elementor Page Builder. So that's why I use Astra. Once you've done that, go to Plugins, Add New, and we are going to search for Elementor. And here is the Elementor Page Builder plugin. You can install that, activate that, and once you've taken care of that step, you can get busy with creating your custom home page. These steps are necessary if you want to go through so you go through this to get through the initial pain, but it's worth it in the end. So now we're going to go to Pages, and we're going to add a new page. Here is my custom home. Now if you want your page to go all the way to the edge of your browser window, you can select here Full Width Stretched. That will ensure that your home page will go all the way across the window to the edges. We are going to disable the title and disable the featured image. And once you have those settings ready to go, you commit those changes, and then we are going to edit the page with Elementor. Okay, now you'll see you're inside the Elementor editor, and all we have to do here is add a template. And what I did was I just used this first template, and I click Insert, and here we have the full screen stretched to the edges of the browser window template. You can see the similarities to the home page that I just showed you. Now the Elementor templates are split up into sections. See, these blue tabs mean this whole thing is a section, and then this white area is a section. You click on the blue tab to edit a section. So if you want to change the title, you would click on the section, click on the text, and you'll see over here on the left is where you are going to change the text. If you want to click on this icon here and change that, you just click on the blue section or click on the icon, delete the icon, hit plus. That'll take you to your media library, and I've placed these photos in my library ahead of time. So I'll insert my logo here, and I will insert my title here, And then here we have two buttons that go to two different places. We only need one. So I'll say, I'll click the X here to get rid of that button. And I actually want to get rid of the whole column. And now we have up just one button for our intro. And if I click on that, here the text says View Videos. And this is where you would place a new page, say your videos page. To center it, we're going to center it here. And we need to change the background of this section. So to understand that it's a background photo of the entire section, you can see that it's contained within the blue. If it was in one of these columns, I would have to click on the column to change the background photo. But I'm fairly certain that the photo is the background of the entire section. So I click the section, click Style, and there's the image there that is sitting in the background. I'm going to delete that, and then I'm going to hit the plus, and then I have my drone video in my media, or my drone photo. Insert media, and now we have a different background photo. I did a similar thing here. I found out that this photo here was in the background of the entire section, so I click the section, click Style, and there's the photo there. You delete that, hit the plus, and use the drone there. Insert media. And I used a few things to increase the size of this media so that there's no space there, and you can format it in different ways. But for now, we're just going over how to kind of change the template around. Alright, so once you have your template in a rough format that's okay with you, go ahead and click Update, or save frequently, more frequently than I did. And then once this page is updated, we're going to go back to the dashboard by clicking this menu and then exit to dashboard. Now remember, this is custom home. I'm just going to click Update. Usually you don't have to, but I'll do it again just to make sure. Go back to the dashboard, and now we can see under Pages, Custom Home. So we just made this page, but we still need to make it our home page. So go back to Settings, Reading, and then your home page displays. A static page, yes, but not home new. We want custom home now. Save the changes, and now let's visit the site. And that's the page we were just creating. That's one of the easier ways to create a custom home page, is to start with a template. And Elementor has great templates to use. If you're a beginner, I highly recommend those, as they really have done a nice job laying them out. You don't have to figure out everything, and as you work with the templates, you'll start to understand kind of how to move things around and whatnot. Thanks.